What's up, guys? Welcome back. Another episode of Acura Honda Classic. Today we have a very special review. What do you got, John?
Well, these are the all-new redesigned Mugen M7 forged wheels that are exclusively put out by King Motorsports. Only exclusive.
I tell you what, I have seen this wheel in person already. I don't know if you have.
I haven't seen it. Everyone's got pictures of them on the internet. I gotta see them in person. I love this wheel. I'm a little freaked out.
Well, let's get to it.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it.
So, John, what do you think so far?
Well, you know, the pictures, they don't do it justice because these things are incredible in person. I think the one thing that grabs me first is this diamond cut finish, and whatever clear coat they put on here is just really enhancing the whole entire look of the wheel.
You know, one thing I do want to talk about is, everybody, having, they weren't really happy about the design because, the previous original design was multi-spoke, right?
Multi-piece, yeah.
Yeah. And this particular one is a one-piece design.
Yeah. So I believe the reason that they went with that is because back when these were originally designed, I remember this wheel was in my Mugen catalog for my D8 91. So from the early 90s, wheel standards were not what they are today. So there's no way that they could get this wheel to meet any of the safety standards in that original configuration. So I think this way just gave it a lot more strength and made the wheel reliable, because I've got three-piece wheels on that thing over there and they are a headache, I'll tell you that.
What problem do you have on a three-piece wheels?
My three-piece wheels are weak. If I hit a hard pothole, they bend, and on top of that, over time they tend to leak where the wheels are sealed together with a silicone. You're never going to have that problem with this setup. This is reliability in a wheel, which is good. Who wants to have an unreliable wheel?
Exactly. And this is a one-piece construction?
It's a one-piece billet forged wheel, and they use a diamond cut process to get this finish on the outside. And like I was saying earlier, it has I believe they said a high solid clear in here that really helps protect against UV and brake dust.
It's just beautiful.
Shines,
look at the
right?
finish. It's just amazing.
You know, the original ones, they would have to polish the lip. You're never going to have to worry about that on this setup.
Yeah, I agree. I do like the offset on these particular wheel. I know they are 16 by 8 with offset of a 42.
Yeah. If you look right here, they are, like you said here, 16 by 8, 42 offset, and they only are offered in a 14 by 1.3 and a 5 lug. And the nice thing also is the center board is the standard center board. So there's no hub-centric rings or anything like that are necessary. So that, it's a more aggressive width, but the offset is supposed to still keep it within your fender. So you don't have wheels poking,
Well,
if you're into that. I don't know, I'm not into that.
Well, one thing I know for sure, they are only producing 50 set of these wheels, and there are still some available right now. So if you want to get a set, gotta call King Motorsport. KingMotorsport.com, get them online, They are MSRP at $875 a piece, plus shipping.
Does that include the center cap?
It does include the center cap.
And a valve stem, I think. Too,
Yes.
Right?
Well, let's take a look at the center cap. Check those out, John.
Man, that's pretty nice.
I know it come with also come with a set of valve stems.
Oh, it's a nice metal 3-piece valve stem there.
And that's also the hardware that go with center cap.
Oh, so these center caps bolt on from the back side of the wheel through these holes.
It does.
So there's no way you're losing your center cap.
So you hold on to that. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the wheel, okay, on the back, so the folks can see it. So you put an Allen screw right over there. There's 3 of them. How cool is that?
It's a pretty neat design.
And one thing I do like about this, each wheel is individual serial number. Check this out. Really, really cool.
And here's the fancy Mugen sticker.
That's awesome.
As I like to say, it's very good looking.
You are very good looking too.
Oof. I've heard
I'm
that.
the best looking.
Not bad, Brian.
Guys, you've seen the wheels. Let us know, comment below what you think about those. If you want to get a set, go to kingmotorsport.com, right over here.
And the thing is that they're super limited, only 50 sets, so you got to hurry up and get your set. So get to the website. And that's it for us. Rebuilding our community. Check us on the next video.
We'll see you on the next.